You know, cold water showers, nice toilets. That was a big crocodile. Welcome to the Gambia. I've been here for about 18 days now, country in Western Africa. Been filming a documentary here and some other promotional videos for the last 18 days. I've been staying at this place, Marakissa River Camp. It's a beautiful location along an estuary off main river of the Gambia. I've got my trusty orange canoe, the Flying Dutchman I've named her. Got the Sony A1 with me today and the Sony 200-600, vlogging with the ZV-1. With a lot of birds here, a lot of kingfishers. We've got the giant kingfisher, one of the biggest ones that just flew past. The pied kingfisher, the black and white one, which we'll see quite a lot of because they roost right near the end where our camp is, so it's nice, unique behaviour. Got the Marakissa kingfisher, looks quite similar to the European kingfisher but a bit smaller. Beak's very different. And we've also got the blue-breasted kingfisher here, which I've seen quite often, bit harder to see. You've also got the night heron, the black night heron, that umbrella fisher. Beautiful to get some shots, especially in the morning when you've got that low mist and that beautiful golden hour light. Light's still harsh. Well, it's getting to that time now, so I'll do less talking and get into this canoe trip. Need to be a bit silent for now because giant kingfisher flying over. Problem with the giant kingfishers is they always blue-breasted. I think it's blue-breasted. Yeah, blue-breasted. Oh, it's in perfect position as well. Just gonna drift in. Just to my right, there's these sticks where the fishermen lay out. Oh, she's in a real good position. There she is. Oh yeah. I'm gonna see if I can turn the front of the boat round. One-handed. They're very skittish compared to the other kingfishers. So you gotta go in slow. It's about 15 metres in front of me now. Bugger. Just took off. Yeah, it took off into that bush behind. But I did get very lucky with the blue-breasted. On the first 2 days I was here, both in the afternoon. I'll show you the pictures now. So it's been absolutely beautiful. There must be 20 little bee eaters all around me in this. Trying to take photos of them flying is very hard, even with the beautiful tracking of the A1. May have got a couple, I'm not sure if they're sharp really. I'm going to keep trying, get some slow motion video, but the sun and the light is absolutely perfect and they're all about eye level. And they fly up, dance up and then come back down, sometimes with bees or flies or other insects. Very active, probably the best I've ever seen them is actually this time. In the morning they seem to be a lot more docile, and there's also, I just got some shots of night heron, which I'll put up now, the black night heron umbrella fishing. The Marakissa kingfisher was also at the stump right at the end. Even more bee eaters flying in now. Pied kingfishers hovering, diving, giant kingfishers, reef heron there. Yeah, just so much happening just in this small little creek. Very shallow here. You know, I'm pretty much stuck, but I don't know if you can see it. That's as deep as it is. It's very silty kind of mud. So I'm going to keep trying here probably until the sun sets. You can probably see it blown out behind me. The sun's directly behind me, so I've got this beautiful golden hour light just on these bee eaters. Use this as an armrest. Oh, this is... So yeah, what an evening. I spent most of the time with the bee eaters. They're just beautiful. Trying to get it in flight, but it was so hard. I think I was a bit too close. I think next time I need to back up a bit to give myself a bit of room. I don't think I succeeded. I may have got one or two, but I don't know how sharp they are. The ones I did get sharp, the branch was in the way or something was in the way. It didn't really work. And hopefully I'll come back out in the morning. I'm with someone else, so I don't know if I'll be able to make another vlog. I do want to make one in the hide as well, because there's been some interesting animals turn up. Snakes, lizards, you know, Nile monitors, turacos, all regular, and some quite nice birds of prey that come down. It's just a hide with water, so you want to go there during midday, and then it attracts a lot of the birds, because obviously it's very hot here, about 35 to 37 degrees every day. You know, compared to Europe, you just see how much we've missed. You know, I've been told that this forest around here has been cut down. This is not you know, 99% of this has gone over the last 20 years. So God only knows how magical it was back then. When we get to the bottom, obviously the sun is set now. I'm not sure what time it is, probably about 7:30 in the evening. But when we get to the bottom, there'll be a lot of pied kingfishers getting ready to roost. Like I said before, they're very social compared to other kingfishers that are normally very territorial, especially like the European kingfisher that, you know, can kill each other to death sometimes when it comes to breeding season. You know, it's not that far what we've paddled. That creek has been the best. I've explored further down, but it opens up quite a lot. Apparently, well, like I said before, there was a lot more forest, but a lot of it's been cut down to make way for shrubland, make it easier for themselves, and selling timber. Obviously, a lot of Chinese investment as well in the Gambia, and taking a lot of raw materials like mahogany was once abundant across the Gambia, but now there's hardly anything left. And they cut down a lot of the dead trees as well, like these old palm trees, and so many of these birds rely on them. Oh, 5 black crates right in front of me. But the light, it's very dark. Don't think. Black crates almost know when you're focused on them. As soon as you focus on them, they run inside the bush. I may crash into a bush. I think I am going to crash into a bush. Hang on. Fuckers. Yeah, they've gone in. Very hard. I should have set this up earlier. It's quite a nice little setup, this. Watch out for crocodiles. Plantain eaters. hooded vulture at the top of this tree, but again, and these black crates again. Oh, they're actually in a great position, the best I've seen them, but it's so dark. So yeah, that's the immature juvenile, the adult there with the red legs, yellow beak on the boat. Now let's switch to video. This is my life. Switching photo, video, bloody pain in the arse. You know, cold water showers, nice toilets. That was a big crocodile. So this tree here is the one with all the pies, and you can see the poo stains. And they all circle around here, do a little social gathering before roosting. You can hear them all flying off. There's sometimes 50 in this tree. Beautiful. You sort of paddle through it in the evening. It's like a swarm of bats flying around your head. Egrets aren't here, they come in a bit later. But there's a log in front of me, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 pied kingfishers, more up there. Yeah, beautiful. So, back at the lodge, this is where we call it a day. But peace, stay safe. I'll catch you on the next one.
Tis in Nagage.